yang berbahagia, langsung saja kita panggil perwakilan dari kelas 3 SMP Putra melawan 1 MA Putra. Beri tepuk tangan yang meriah. Dipersilakan kepada kedua tim untuk mengambil undian judul dan penentuan tim pro dan kontra. Baiklah, perwakilan dari kelas 1 MA Putra mendapat tim pro dan kelas 3 SMP Putra mendapatkan undian tim kontra dengan judul apakah fasilitas KPM mempengaruhi hasil belajar? Dipersilakan kepada kedua tim untuk menempati tempatnya masing-masing di panggung. Terima kasih. Baik, untuk kedua tim, apakah sudah siap? Siap. Baik, sudah siap? Dipersilakan kepada pembicara satu dari tim pro untuk menyampaikan pendapat terlebih dahulu selama 3 menit. Dimulai dari sekarang.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Excellency Ibu Nyai Nuzili Rohbah, The Excellency all of the judges of this competition. Let me introduce ourselves. We are from the first grade senior high school. We are from the pro team. We would like to deliver our argument about the importance of teaching and learning facility, effect of the student learning outcomes. Okay, I'm as first speaker, my name is Faras, and this my friend as second speaker, the name is Eri, and this my friend as third speaker, the name is Fatil. Well, I'm as first speaker, I would like to deliver my argument if I agree with the importance of teaching and learning facility, effect of the student learning outcomes. Because of what? Because school facility is very important role in supporting teaching and learning activity. School facility is one of aspects that need to be considered in education in institution in Indonesia. In Kerten school, there are many school facilities that not yet developed with technological advance. Even in rural area, there are many school facilities that far from adequate. Several role of school facility ongoing learning processing. The first, help students to be more focused in learning. Second, improve student to learning and experience. Third, improve time and place efficiency. 4, support student to handle their potential. 5, make learning environment more comfortable. Thank you.
Dipersilahkan kepada pembicara satu dari tim kontra untuk menyampaikan pendapat selama 3 menit, dimulai dari sekarang.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from the Secret Junior High School Al Muhyiddin Jatirogo Tuban. My name is Arvin as the first speaker, and this is Adam as the second speaker, and this is Dupa as the third speaker. And now I will show our opinion about the facilities influence student learn outcomes. I disagree with the statement that facilities for teaching and learning activities have an influence on students, because learning and teaching activities centrally have a basic component in their sustainability, which is not focused on the facilities, but rather the most important best part component in learning and teaching activities should be the potential of the teachers. So if the teacher who teaches has good potential and can educate student learning outcomes, a quality generation will be born. Thank you.
Baik, dipersilakan kepada pembicara kedua dari tim pro untuk menguatkan pendapat pembicara satu selama 2 menit. Dimulai dari sekarang.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'm a second speaker. I'm from a pro team. I wanna deliver my argument. If I agree with the KPM facilities affect student learning outcomes, because it's clearly stated at the government regulation, Article 16, first paragraph, number 28, years of 1990, that a student right is to receive assistance. For example, learning facilities, scholarship, or other assistance according to the requirement. So, it can be concluded that the learning facilities are a student right that must be provided in every school without exception. Then, if government regulation have been stipulated, do you still want to fight the government? For example, infrastructure include location, school buildings, your guest room, place of worship, money, and so on. Meanwhile, the meaning of infrastructure is direct tool to achieve educational goals. For example, blackboards, books, laboratories, libraries, school canteens, and other. Thank you.
Dipersilahkan kepada pembicara kedua dari tim kontra untuk menguatkan pendapat pembicara satu selama 2 menit, dimulai dari sekarang.
I disagree with the statement that facilities for teaching and learning activities have an impact on students, because quite a few Indonesian people have a relatively low economy. So, if teaching and learning facilities must make an important for the component continue, it will certainly burden poor people if they be burdened with choose. The school is just for the facilities. Okay, thank you.
Baik, dipersilakan kepada pembicara ketiga dari tim pro untuk menyimpulkan pendapat pembicara 1 dan 2 selama 2 menit. Dimulai dari sekarang.
Okay, I'm a third speaker. I will explain my argument if I really agree with KPM facilities. Why? As explained by first speaker, there are many positive impact with KPM facilities, like a table and etc. If you don't agree with KPM facilities, why you still go in where everywhere? And the conclusion is KPM facility is very important and teaching and learning facilities. Thank you.
Dipersilahkan kepada pembicara ketiga dari tim kontra untuk menyimpulkan pendapat pembicara 1 dan 2 selama 2 menit, dimulai dari sekarang.
I disagree. Learning facilities based in data from Ministry of Education and Culture of Republic Indonesia. Education Index for all Indonesia experienced a decline. In 2010, Indonesia was at rank 65 year out of 128 countries. While in 2011, it dropped to the ranking 69. According to BB quotes by Bob Bisopian 2010, states that the factor cost low quality or quality include teacher, education staff, school facilities, and irrelevant curriculum, so there to be learning teachers. Okay, thank you.
Baik, memasuki sesi kedua. Kepada tim pro dipersilahkan untuk menguatkan pendapatnya selama 3 menit dan tim kontra diperbolehkan menyanggah selama 1 menit. Sebelumnya diberitahukan bahwasanya timer untuk menyanggah ada di laptop samping saya yang dibawa oleh Mbak Nagari. Jadi nanti akan diumumkan sisa waktu penyanggahan. Begitu baik, terima kasih. Dimulai untuk tim pro silakan memperkuat pendapatnya selama 3 menit dan tim kontra dipersilahkan untuk menyanggah selama 1 menit dimulai dari sekarang.
Okay, I'm the first speaker. I want to strengthen my first argumentation. If I strongly agree with the importance of teaching and learning facility effect of the student learning outcomes. Because of what? It is clear that the facility are run of able to school environment from the student. For the simple example, such as chair and table in the classroom, the better condition of chair and table in the classroom, it will be easier for student to be more focused and learning and prevent and the student the listen. You can also imagine that if student had been study with whole it in table, that it will be hinder the student to the understanding and listen. So that the facility have to influence on the quality of education. Moment is my time. Okay.
Can facilities really influence student learning outcomes, considering that the economy in Indonesia is relatively low? Of course, less well-off people will object to school fees that are only for facilities. Maman. Then, considering that the economy in Indonesia is relatively low, less well-off people will object to school fees that are only for facilities. Because facilities don't directly influence student learning outcomes without the potential of the teachers. So if the teacher who teaches has good potential and can educate student learning outcomes, then what the point if there are facilities but the potential of the teacher as student is lacking? Thank you.
Baik, sisa waktu menyanggah adalah 17 detik.
Okay, I want to answer your question. Last time you have said if teacher not include its facility, yes? Now I will ask for you, do you agree with teacher are facilities or no?
Okay, I want to strengthen what the first speaker have said. If I agree with the importance of KPM facilities affect student learning outcomes, because if you look at it from the student perspective, we can certainly realize that student rank is to achieve educational facilities. For example, if student want to develop their reading literacy, but he cannot to find library at the school, then how will that student develop? Not only that, sport field are so important facilities for students who want to develop sport talent. Then, if there are no facilities, can students still develop? I ask you.
Interruption. It can be concluded. It is true that facilities are a tool to improve the quality of students. But what is more important is that teacher must also be qualified. Don't bury these facilities. We forget that internal learning. A teacher must teacher.
Mohon maaf, waktu sanggahan habis untuk tim kontra. Waktu sanggahan habis.
That's not my question. Please answer my question last time. Yes. That's not my question.
Please answer the speaker question.
Are you agree with if teachers is facilities? Do you agree if facilities are facilities? Do you agree if teachers are facilities? Please answer my question, please.
Aman.
Okay, I'm a third speaker. I will give you the conclusion for this problem. The first conclusion is I really agree with the KPM facilities because KPM can to create of student high quality. Thank you.
Baik, waktu habis. Dipersilakan kepada tim kontra untuk menguatkan pendapatnya selama 3 menit dan tim pro diperbolehkan menyanggah selama 1 menit. Dimulai dari sekarang.
Yes, I repeat again. Can facilities really influence student learning outcomes? Because to support the success of teaching, can facilities really influence student learning outcomes? Considering that the economy in Indonesia is relatively low, of course, less well-off people will object to school fees that are only for facilities. And facilities don't necessarily influence student learning outcomes because facilities don't directly influence student learning outcomes. Because the potential of the teachers. What is the potential of the teacher is student and teacher.
Interruption, please.
Of course.
Interruption, please. You have mentioned last time about economy, yes, right?
Yes.
But now government have give facilities. The name is affirmative facilities. That is for poor people that can do. That is for people that less economy. Thank you.
And also, how about the Sayyidina Ali have said, teach your child by following the era. How about that?
Baik, waktu sanggahan tersisa 40 detik.
As we know, it will certainly burden poor people if they have been burdened with chores. The school is just for the facilities. Can facilities really influence student learning outcomes? Considering that the economy in Indonesia is relatively low. Of course, less well people will object to school fees. They are only for facilities. Then and facilities don't necessarily influence student learning outcomes because facilities don't directly influence student learning without the potential of the teacher. What influence student learning is the potential of the teacher. Yes.
I have mentioned last time, not about economy less, but government have give facilities. The name is affirmative for people that less economy. You know? Thank you.
Waktu sanggahan tersisa 20 detik. Ayo, waktu terus berjalan, waktu tersisa 30 detik. Baik, waktu habis. Beri tepuk tangan yang meriah.